Well, howdy do. I'm gonna give you a quick tutorial about the app that I recommended to you. In case you don't have it, I'm gonna show you how it works. So right here, whatever I mark is what I'm doing with my finger. So the ProMetronome that I downloaded some few years ago, I purchased it because I needed to have access to the list, and you can still use it if it's just for tempo purposes. But if you want to go any further, lads, and like save your list with the tempo list, then yeah, I believe you will have to purchase it. So here we go. That's the app I'm gonna open. Then you go right here to your upper right hand. You press on that, and say you want to enter the song, say La Cadena. You tap that little sign. You put La Cadena, and we know what that is. That's the song with the grande y fuerte, te doy gloria, vamos a cantar, or some other song. Okay, so save it. Then we go to this other one on the right. You go here, you go to the very bottom, press that, and you change the tempo to 140, right? Because that's what we play it at. Then you want to go to accents here because I'm going to save it. So you see what I mean? This is the accent. Hold on. Well, for now, it doesn't have it. But if you enter a new song, or when you enter it the first time, it's gonna look like this, like that. That's the way it's gonna sound. But what I did is, I went here and I went to accents, and usually you'll see it like right here on beat four. But I guess it was already changed because I changed it on all the songs. So I guess it's gonna be like that for the rest of the songs. But it's good to check anyway. Just in case it changes on beat four, just go to accents and change it to that third dot right there, and then press OK. Then make sure everything is on four. Unless you a little bit more of a whiz, you can go into other time signatures. But yeah, let's see. Yeah, 4/4. Let's see. Yeah, I'm still there. Okay. And once you start filling it up, you can literally scroll down or up for the songs that you want. And you can, if you want to rearrange your songs, click right there, this little deal right there, and then these little things on the sides here is where you can use to um, manage your songs and put them in order. If you're that picky about it, I know I am. Except for the medley songs like Rey Vencedor and El Poderoso, I put them right there at the very top. That's my first ones to go to, since if we were to play them, that would have to be scrolling like crazy all over to look for them. And so far, yeah, I put them in order, like Como en el cielo, Danza en el río, de gloria en gloria, en espíritu y en verdad, increíble, me libertó en la cadena. So that's how it works. And then you can scroll to the right, press play, or you can just tap on it, which is better. And if you lost your way, it'll show you right here on the left hand side, the little marking, let you know what song is it, the tempo is, or the clicking is coming from. So that's it. And this is just for random use, for practice, or for coritos or whatever. You turn the dial and you can see the numbers change. Coritos, they talk about 120. Alabama. Okay, you can go faster than that. But anyways, so yeah, you can also. I think that's it. And there's a lot more to it, but I'm just showing you the main parts of the metronome, so you can have an idea how it works, and all the rest of it is just. Oh yeah, and you can change the pitch, like say, okay, right, and you can change the pitch right here where it says tone.
3, 4.
Okay, so it goes up to about
1.
yeah. So it has about 14 tones. All right, man. I hope this was of a help. Tell me what you think.